Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Bombay and Cedar. So this is last month's box, so November, right? This is December, yeah. And I don't know how much it costs. It'll be on the screen. Let's dig into it and see what we have today. So I open it up. Something smells good in here. Oh, and this is what I see. Kind of dropping everything. It does come with a booklet, and I am almost positive it has the prices in it. Let me just take a peek. Yep. So November 2019. And yes, it does have the prices in it. Oh, something smells really good. Hope something didn't spill. Usually it's not so prominent that it smells this good. Let's see. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is Canelli Chai Roy Boys. I have no idea. It's for healthy skin. I'm assuming it is a tea set. Yep, a starter tea set. So let's see. This retails for $16. Wow. Okay. The next thing I am pulling out here is another hair twist turban. We just got one of these in something. I don't remember what it was. But this is actually, I believe, well, maybe it's not. I wanted to say maybe this was the name brand of the one that was made like a couple years back, that when it was like all the rage, but maybe not. Let's see. Duh. Okay, so this retails for $9. The next thing I am pulling out are chocolate chip crunch cookie bites, and those retail for $1.49. The next thing I am pulling out is Ursa Major, and it's a daily shampoo. Go Easy Shampoo. Get soft, healthy, easy to manage hair with our delightfully sulfate-free, nourishing daily shampoo. Retails for $26. Alrighty, that's cool. The next thing I am pulling out is Pete Bros Olive Oil Lavender Moisturizing Bath Bar. So it is a bar of soap. You guys know how I feel about the scent lavender. I definitely won't put it on my skin just because lavender on my body, just like I won't wear lavender oil on my body or anything like that. I don't want to walk around smelling like lavender all day. So I probably will just pass this along. Let's see. And this retails for $6. The next thing I am pulling out here are the essential oils that we get every month, and this month we have coriander seed, retails for $14, and frankincense, which retails for $16. So coriander, that's not showing up really well. There we go. Coriander and frankincense. And then let's see, next thing I am pulling out is Better Off Thread. It's an embroidered wireless speaker. Okay, that's interesting. I mean, that's cool. I'm not a tech person. My husband will actually have to tell me what this is even used for. I don't know. That's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. But this retails for $36. And then, ooh, this is cute. A teapot and cup set. Oh, I like that so much. That is so cute. That retails for, where is it? I don't know where it is. There it is, $24. That is so freaking cute. I love it. And let's see, it looks like, yep, the last thing I am pulling out is Moisturizing socks and gloves by Spa Savvy for $12.99. These soft textured gloves and socks moisturize your hands and feet, leaving them, so I guess maybe it's just like a face mask, except for your hands and for your feet, so that's cool. It says for even deeper hydration, apply moisturizer. Okay. It says for even deeper hydration, apply moisturizer, your favorite essential oil, and wear overnight. Okay, that's cool. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. Hydroflex moisturizing gloves and socks. All right, you guys, so that was Bombay and Cedar for the month of November. I think it was a good box. You know, I'm really glad I started getting this box because it took me forever to decide if I actually wanted to get it. And I'm finally glad that I did. So, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. Have a great day. Bye.